Welcome to DIY Hair School, and today we are going to be doing a slicked back simple donut bun style that's perfect for fine thin hair because this style really makes the bun look like you have so much more hair than you already have. You're going to start by getting hair all up into a high ponytail, and you can slick back all the baby hairs at the end. I like to do it at the last step, not now, because if you do need to make any adjustments and you've already gelled or hairsprayed your hair, then it's going to be hard to do. So I leave all those baby hairs to the end and I just get my hair up into that nice high ponytail, and I like to use a pretty small hair tie so that the hair tie doesn't impede on the style too much. You're going to need bobby pins for this style, and if you have thin or fine hair like me, I do suggest bobby pins that match your hair color. That way you're not going to notice them poking out and you're not going to have to worry about hiding them so much. I'm going to start with a small section at the front of your ponytail. You're going to wrap it around your fingers, making a little fruit roll-up shape, and you're just going to pin that flat down to the base of your hair. You can pull each section apart gently as you go, and you're just going to do this all the way around the bun, pinning as you go. Once you have gone all the way around the bun pinning, you can pin any gaps closed with a few more bobby pins just by pinching the section together, adding a bobby pin, and then just adjusting all the sections. It doesn't have to be perfect. A little bit of gaps create some interesting texture, but just go around until you like the way it looks, and there you go. You have an adorable donut bun with no accessory other than your bobby pins, and it is just the perfect girls' day out hairstyle. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any tutorials, and follow me on Instagram and TikTok.